Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS CloudWatch alarms for ETL job failures step by step clearly. To enable AWS CloudWatch alarms for ETL job failures, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon CloudWatch service. In the left sidebar, select Alarms. Click on the Create Alarm button at the top right. Choose Select Metric. Under the Browse tab, click on Blue to find ETL job metrics. Locate and select the failed jobs metric related to your ETL job. Click on Select Metric to proceed. Set the conditions for your alarm. Choose the threshold type as static for a straightforward setup. Define the condition where the alarm triggers, such as greater than 0. Specify how many consecutive periods the condition must be met to trigger the alarm. Next, set the notification settings. Choose an existing SNS topic or create a new one to receive notifications. If creating a new SNS topic, enter a name and configure the subscription. Select how you want to be notified, such as via email. Proceed by clicking on Next. Add any additional actions you desire if the alarm state is triggered. Optionally, provide a name and description for the alarm for easier identification. Review your alarm settings carefully. Once satisfied, click on Create Alarm. Your CloudWatch alarm for ETL job failures is now set up. To verify, navigate back to the Alarms section and check the status of your new alarm. If configured correctly, the alarm will now trigger based on your specified conditions for job failures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.